I'm wrong.
Let me see.
I'm not
He wants to
wrong.
just add
He said he couldn't find the cord. That's why he only has $1.50.
Tell my husband you want to hike. I had so much Vera Bradley out here. Some lady bought it off for $50. I mean, I must have had 30 purses. Yeah. They're all outdated. I don't.
Would you do 10 with this and this?
yeah.
Yeah? All right. I appreciate you working with me on that. That sale just got snake bit. Good morning, YouTube. Today is Saturday. This is Snake, and we are with the
Tampa Bay Pickers!
yeah. Anyway, so yesterday was an alright day for only hitting 2 sales. Usually when you're only hitting about 2 or 3 sales, I think I hit 3 sales yesterday or something. But anyway, we found a few things, so I'm quite happy about that. Hopefully today we'll find a bunch of stuff. All right, are you excited?
I'm excited, but there's not a lot of yard sales on the app.
On that? Oh my gosh.
That's why I said just on the app. The app must be broken.
App's not broken.
I just said the app's broken.
Is it?
Yeah, the app's broken.
App's not broken.
So,
We only use the app as a guide to lead us in a direction, and then usually there's a lot of yard sales on the way. So anyway, we'll see you at the first one, guys. Wish us luck. It's for well,
okay, you said 6, right?
is he broken? His head's supposed to flip. Oh, it's only the other way. Whoa. We should collect these. It doesn't matter, we should collect them because if we get the whole sets. How much are your DVDs?
There's another the end in Prison Break. What is this? The OC. The OC. And then there's more.
Hold on. Yeah, grab them, but. Nah.
I know. I'm just moving it away.
You do?
DVDs, yes. I have so many of them.
Do you have more sets like these?
Maybe. The Smallville?
Any of them.
Any of them, really?
The whole collection. There's probably in the other box.
That was it? Okay. No problem.
Okay, the pot does. I get some.
You said what?
Mine are cheaper.
Yeah. Well, your other ones are really.
So I owe you 8 then?
Okay, sweet. What? So 8, I owe you 12.
Yes.
There's 11. Let me get another one. There you go.
Thank
Do you
you.
guys want a bag?
No, I think we'll be all right. How much are your books right here?
That whole set is $10.
$10?
Yeah, it comes together.
Hmm. Would you do 5 on it?
Oh, I probably wouldn't.
No? What's the lowest?
10.
10? How about 8? Would you do 8?
Sure.
Okay. I appreciate you working with me on it.
My husband was like, "Are you sure we're gonna get rid of those?" I was like, "Yeah, they don't read them." But we have so many books.
One, 2, 3, 8.
Okay, let's see.
Gracias, mamá. Morning.
Hey, good morning. How you guys doing today?
Doing great.
All right.
Clearly.
Those can be worth money.
Babe, do we need a lobster for the kids' bathroom?
And GK spark plugs. Can you pull, here's a seasoner here.
90210. And it's open, but not opened.
How much are the DVDs?
They're $1 each unless you want to buy the whole thing.
I don't know about all that.
There's probably about 100 in there. Maybe offer on the whole thing.
Did you guys do 3 on these?
Sure.
All right. Appreciate that. So we owe you 5 then.
Perfect.
Pull a 5 out of there, please.
Thank you, folks. Have a
Thank
good day.
you. You too.
Dolls.
I know that we have,
They're in really bad shape. I think we're gonna leave them. I think I can clean them. I think they're moldy. Do they look moldy to you? Or?
No,
She's
but
saying 25 cents each. But they're in bad shape.
what do you want to do?
Just put them in. You take this stuff. They're all Corningware, but I can let them out. And at 25 cents a piece, it'll be worth it to let them out. Okay, I do need you to grab one of these or some. They're getting heavy. They're all Corningware, but I can let them open.
Okay, so what do you have? $1.25?
Yeah,
Okay.
25 cents. Do you have $1?
Well, now you have to hold this again.
She might do it for $1. Should have behind you.
I have 5. Would you do $1 for them?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm a first girl player myself.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What does that say? PlayStation 2, $10?
No, that's just, that was old pricing. The PlayStation 2, I have a,
Where did you see
I can bring it,
$10?
huh?
Oh, that was a
Yeah,
case.
because that was a long time back when,
That was just for the case you were asking for it.
yeah, if,
Okay.
And you can pull stuff out of the box if you need to. That's fine. Let it go.
how much are the books?
Hardback, I was gonna ask 50 cents, or, excuse me. The hardbacks, we're gonna ask $1. The softbacks, we're gonna ask a quarter.
How much are the socks?
Socks are $1 a pair.
$1 a pack, you mean? Okay, I was just making sure.
That's what my apologies.
That's okay.
$1 package. Sorry, I'm starting to get my voice back. I just can't throw away good ink cartridges, you know?
Right, no, it makes
And I
sense.
don't have that, and I don't have that printer anymore.
Would you do 50 cents on the hardbacks?
So you're wanting 50, $1.75. How about I give you all 4 for $2 instead?
Okay. And then these, so
So
$4.
$4.
Okay.
Thank you, babies, for helping her. That was nice of you.
I'll leave them.
It's not a digital, it is actually film. It's the same camera that was used to film Napoleon Dynamite.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
So it is semi-professional. Because that was one of the low budget films.
Just curious, what are you asking for it?
I was asking 100 for it.
100?
Because I know that it's one of those.
That's a long.
You're looking for 4.
Nah, I think I'm just gonna get the same one. Change for 5.
Right. I'm gonna use it all.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys have a good one. Thank you. You too. How you doing? Good, good. Oh, camcorder?
Yeah.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's under work. It is in quite some time. It's picking up phones now and stuff. That's
Yeah, yeah. That's right.
Yeah, the DVDs are 2 and the Blu-rays are 3.
Hmm.
I put $1.50 on that because I can't find the cord to it.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, I'm wrong.
Let me see.
I'm not.
It works. It's just adding
You
it.
said you couldn't find the cord. That's why it only has $1.50.
They sell them still and all that stuff. I just don't have use for it because my son's got 3 other ones at home, so I'm
Oh,
just
dear.
trying to get rid of the other one.
Thank you. You're welcome. Y'all have a good day.
Don't have to be necessary $3.
And this is got, I got a dollar on the way. Makeup in there too. No, the husband has
Battery should be in there
Yeah,
somewhere.
Yeah, it looks like there's one right there.
I had so much Vera Bradley out here. Some lady bought it off for $50. I mean, I must have had 30 purses. Yeah. They're all outdated. I got new.
What's the lowest you'll go on this?
What's the price on it?
I think you have 15 on it.
Maybe
Yeah,
not.
she was my first
Huh?
customer.
Maybe 10?
Yeah. And this here is just like hooked to your computer, and you can project it on the wall or something with it.
Mm-hmm.
I never bought a tripod for it. I just never got around to it.
Would you do 10 with this and this?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. I appreciate you working with me on that.
No problem.
You have change?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. The cutest little thing. I had to take her in because she's getting too excited now.
Thank you. Have a good day. Hey guys, Snake and Mama Snake here. And it's actually Sunday morning.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, because we had some friends and stuff come over, did some barbecue chicken and stuff yesterday.
Game night.
Yeah, game night. So we didn't have a chance to finish our video. So we're going to do it this morning. So I'll show you what we got.
Alright, we picked up some brand new, there's a youth and an adult pair of Umbro socks. I'm assuming they're for baseball? Or
Sport.
sports?
Yeah.
So, brand new, still in the package.
Paid what, $1 each for those?
Yes, $1
Yeah.
each for those. And then at that same stop, we also picked up some more Diary of a Wimpy Kid books. So,
Oh, we're
hopefully-
still trying to get a lot together, right? Or did we
Yes.
get one finally?
I don't know. I have to look over there. I
Okay.
don't think so yet. And they're coming out with a new book. So,
Are they?
Yeah.
Nice.
then at another yard sale we stopped at.
And what did we pay for these? We paid, well, we paid $2 for 4 books.
For 4 books, yeah.
Yeah.
I found some vintage Corningware dishes.
That need to be washed because
Yes,
they're
they
nasty.
really need to be washed. But I found 5 dishes.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those designs, huh?
That's why I picked them up. Here's another one.
Oh yeah. The dirt inside was free.
Yes,
They
the
didn't
dirt
charge
was
us.
free. Here's another one.
Especially being that they're what, 25 cents a piece?
We paid $1 for 5.
Oh, $1 for 5, right?
They were 25 cents a piece, but I didn't want to pull out a quarter, so I asked the lady if she would do $1 for all of them.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna lock these up. I have to look more into it, And I also have to wash them because they're pretty disgusting.
Mm-hmm.
But for a buck, it was worth it.
Clean enough to eat out. No, never mind.
Don't even. Alright, at another yard sale, Snake managed to, well, I found this
Yeah.
DS Lite, and they only wanted $1.50. The guy says it works, but he didn't have a cord for it, so that's why it was so cheap.
Mm-hmm.
But we also found another one of these Sharp camcorders here. Thank you, I was...
View cams.
And so we paid $10 for all of that.
Yep, $10 for a camcorder. It sells for about $50.
And the DS Lite, if it works, sells
Sells for
about
about 30.
30.
Yeah. So
Right.
really good deal there.
Yes. Then we found
Oh yeah, this was a good find too.
a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. You were right, 27.
That's 27, yeah.
So 27 of these, I think they're like Bible stories.
Yeah,
for kids.
they're Alice in Bible Land, and they're by Davidson and Marshall.
So
And a lot like that can go for probably about 70, 80 bucks.
yeah.
We saw lots when I was looking it up. I think there were lots of 18,
18.
something like that,
Something
for
like
50
that going
bucks.
For 50.
So, and as you can see here, we have 27, so it would go for quite a bit more. So definitely a good find there. And I paid $8 for that lot.
For the whole set.
For the whole set, yeah.
And then we found some DVD seasons. So we've got season 3 of Deadliest Catch.
Mm-hmm.
We paid $1 for these. And then season 3 of 90210. It's brand new in the package, never been opened. And it's the original 90210, not the new one that they've done. And a lot of 8 spark plugs that I think we paid $3 for.
I paid $3 for those, and 8 of those spark plugs, the NGKs, they go for 20 bucks. So $3 and 20, not bad.
Yep, not bad there.
And then, what else was I gonna say? Yeah, so you'll see in a second that we're starting to go nuts on DVD sets because they do sell, especially if you get the whole series. And they can go for 50, 60, 70 bucks. So let's say if you have, you find a series that's 10 seasons long, and we pay anywhere between 50 cents to $1 for a season, you're looking at most invested in that series $10. And then you're flipping it for 40, 50, 60. It all depends on the show and whatnot. But so we're starting to pick those up so that we can save them and lot them.
The next set, these that I'm going to pull out now, are all DVD sets, and we only paid 50 cents a piece.
Yep.
So, we got a bunch of One Tree Hill. We got season 1 of Prison Break.
That's supposed to be a really good show that we've never watched.
I've heard it's supposed to be really good.
Yeah, we need to watch that.
So maybe we'll have to watch it before we sell it.
yeah.
We'll see. We got the OC. I think there's a couple of them. Like I said, here's more of One Tree Hill. It looks like we might have gotten the full series of One Tree Hill. I don't know if there's more than 5 seasons, but there's all 5 seasons right there. Alright. We did pick up, and I'm not sure about this, this is a limited edition James Bond
Yeah,
set.
check this out.
It's 22 DVDs.
Let's see if I can open it up here. Yeah, here's kind of like a list of all the movies that are in here. So it's like all vintage Sean Connery, all the way up to the almost current date.
Yes.
So I think the last one was Quantum of Solace.
And I think that's the last one that came out, actually.
I'm not sure. I can't keep track, but
because it went from Sean Connery, Pierce Brosnan to Daniel Craig.
yeah. So that's
I don't know who was before Sean Connery, but
I think Sean Connery started it. Yeah, look.
okay. So yeah.
There's Sean Connery right there.
I've never seen any of the ones that Sean Connery did. Like I've seen clips, but never the actual.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Pretty good. So anyway, yeah, so I'm not sure. We didn't look this up, but it was 50 cents.
Yep.
So
and if it's not worth anything, we'll add it to our collection.
yes, we can add it to our collect. So
more of the OC. So this is season 1, season 3. We did find season 1 of True Blood. This is an excellent
That's a good show too. I liked it.
And then a couple seasons of Smallville here.
Never really saw Smallville.
No, and this is season 5 and 6. That's kind of random. And then there's season 2 of the OC.
And we didn't check the DVDs in there either, so we're gonna have to check and make sure all of them in there.
We were kind of like,
yeah, we just grabbed
and
them.
look, here's season 1 and 4 of Smallville, so we
There
need
you go.
seasons 2 and 3, yeah. And then a season of Grey's Anatomy,
Right on.
the complete second season. So some of them are kind of out of order and they're not all there, but to start with, that's not bad, and especially for 50 cents a piece.
Okay.
So that's it.
That's it? That's all of it?
That's all of it.
All right, not too bad, not too shabby. There's definitely quite a bit of money there. So I actually think it was a pretty good haul.
Yeah,
It
not
wasn't
bad.
bad. Wasn't bad at all.
Our yard sales seemed to be spread out yesterday too. Like we went, the app was no help, so we went to one on there, and then from there we just kind of drove around and found some other ones.
Yeah.
So it wasn't a bad day though.
It was a little light on yard sales compared to what we're used to. I just realized
Yeah.
that because we did actually end a little bit early too.
I think we were done by 10:30,
Yeah. Well, yeah.
10:45, something
Something like
around
that.
there.
Yeah, and usually we're out there till,
Noon.
almost 12.
But
Mostly 12,
the
yeah.
big yard sale at Fishhawk is coming up.
I know, I can't wait for that fish hawk sale. That's my favorite sale.
They do that
It's
one
twice a year,
biannually.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
twice a year. They do one in the fall and one in the spring.
Yeah, that's going to be an awesome one. I love that one. And that one we can't even get through
No,
in
not
4
yet.
hours. Sometimes
Yeah.
we're going to have to pack a lunch or something this time so that we can stay out.
Sometimes they have places where we stopped and we bought lunch while we
Yeah.
were out there.
So anyway, yeah. So that's coming up. But other than that, I think we're good. There's our haul.
So, and then this stuff came from
Yeah.
the day before too. So
Yeah,
this is all yard sale stuff here, except for
Yeah.
the shoes.
Yeah, so we got quite a few pictures to take. So anyway, all right, guys, I think that's it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Till next time,
Get
guys.
snake bit.